This is the unique and healthy recipes, guys. Thanks for always coming back. I want to show you another way of making liquid soap. Pour 500 ml of sulphonic acid into a bowl and add 3 liters of water and stir. 3 liters of water and stir. That's 1, 2, and then the third one. You are going to stir it very well. You know, we don't have a machine to mix, so we have to stir it thoroughly. Put on all your strength and stir to ensure that it mixes evenly. So stirring is very, very important. You are going to stir it, continue to stir it until the water mixes completely with sulphonic acid. This soap we are making is very effective and super foamy. You can see the foam already. You are going to like the end product. So keep on stirring until it's properly mixed. We have only 4 ingredients for today's soap: sulphonic acid, caustic soda, soda ash, and Texapon. Those are the only 4. Other things are optional. So now we're going to dissolve caustic soda. This caustic soda is just 30 grams dissolved in half a liter of water. Pour half a liter of water and dissolve the caustic soda. You can stir it to hasten the process, so it's going to dissolve faster when you stir. And add to the bowl and mix the two very well. This soap is super effective and very foamy. So you mix it very well, stir it very well, and then we are going to add Texapon. This Texapon is 30 grams. So we are adding it directly into the bowl. Cut and add, and then you stir. Add Texapon, which is the 3rd ingredient, and then you stir very, very well. The soap is very, very nice. For those of you that want to do commercial liquid soap, this recipe is for you, because you are going to earn a lot of money from this recipe. Now this is the 4th ingredient and the last, which is soda ash. This is 500 grams of soda ash dissolved in 1 liter of water. Dissolve in 1 liter of water and turn it into the bowl. You are going to do a lot of stirring here to make the soda ash to dissolve faster. To hasten the process, you stir it vigorously. Stir vigorously. If you don't allow it to dissolve very well, your liquid soap is going to have lumps, and it will cause shortage if you are selling, for instance. So you dissolve very well before turning it into the big bowl to avoid shortage and to avoid, lumps in your end product. So after dissolving it very well, you can now turn it into the big bowl and mix again. So there are 4 ingredients. We are not using all the ingredients like the regular liquid soap where you have 9 to 10 ingredients. Here we are using only 4. We are using only 4: sulphonic acid, caustic soda, soda ash, and Texapon. These are the only 4. Now if you like, you can add color. If you like, you can add fragrance. It's optional, but the basic 4 we are using for this recipe is just 4. That is caustic soda, soda ash, Texapon, and sulphonic acid. So you stir very well. You can see that it's very thick now and foamy, super foamy. So you continue to stir. Like I said, colorant is optional, but I'm going to use color and I'm going to use fragrance. So I'm using lemon fragrance. I love lemon fragrance in liquid soap. So I'm going to add 10 mils of lemon fragrance to this soap. Add 10 mils to it. And after then, I'm going to add my lemon colorant. So stir again. The liquid soap, we do a lot of stirring, yes, but you like the product. Now, please, if you like this already, kindly give us thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you are new, please kindly subscribe to grow this family. Thank you. I'm adding lemon color, so I dissolve in water and pour into the bowl. Just a little water, dissolve, and you keep on adding until you get the quality that you need, the color you need. So if it's not deep enough, you can add more. So I stir. This looks like yellow. Actually, I want lemon green, so I have to add more colorant to give me that deeper color of lemon that I desire. So you can use any color of your choice, but I'm using lemon green. Alright, it's optional. Like I said, the soap is ready at this point because you can use it, but you have to allow the foam to cool down so that you can have your liquid soap bottled or packaged as you want it. I'm adding more colorant because I feel I need it to be deeper than what I have here. So I'm adding more colorant, and yes, it's giving me what I desire. A deeper color of lemon green. Yes, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up here and tell us where you are watching this video from. I like to hear from you. I love you and I appreciate your support. Subscribe, please.